Welcome back. For all the questions related to all these years, please check the playlist NTA OG series. We will continue from here. Choose the correct statement given below regarding juxtamedullary nephron. Juxtamedullary nephrons are located in the columns of Bertini. This is incorrect. So see, this is the image from NCERT textbook. This is called renal cortex and this is renal medulla. So you can see the cortex protruding inside medulla. These are called column of Bertini. Now in this image it is not clear what happens to these blood vessels. So you can check this different image. See, clearly you can see the column of Bertini will hold these blood vessels. So column of Bertini are also called renal columns. They are extensions of the renal cortex into medulla. So this is the definition, and the role is it provide better anchoring for the cortex and house blood vessels and urinary tubules. So this statement obviously is incorrect. Next one. Renal corpuscle of juxtamedullary nephron lies in the outer portion of the renal medulla. They are in the renal cortex. So renal and Malpighian corpuscle both stand for the same structure, which is the Bowman's capsule along with the glomerulus. So Malpighian corpuscle along with PCT and DCT, they are situated in the cortical region. Okay, it's only the loop of Henle, and that too the loop of Henle of juxtamedullary nephrons that dip into medulla. Next one, loop of Henle of juxtamedullary nephron runs deep into medulla. This is correct. So juxtamedullary nephrons, they have very long loop of Henle and it runs deep into the medulla. This is correct statement. Let's check the last option also. Juxtamedullary nephrons outnumber the cortical nephrons. This is incorrect. So the statement says majority of nephrons, the loop of Henle is too short and extends only very little into the medulla. These are cortical nephrons. So majority are cortical nephrons. Some of the nephrons are juxtamedullary. So juxtamedullary nephron outnumber cortical nephrons. This is incorrect statement. So right answer is option 3.